happy day. Every day's a happy day for me. I got some water here. Excuse me. I'm going to try something different. And I saw these, and I've never seen these at the store before. So, Florida Greg, this might make you drool. It's called Moonpie. I don't know anything about Moonpie. I know I've heard people down south talk about Moonpie this and Moonpie that. It says Moonpie since 1917, the original marshmallow sandwich. Guess it's been around for a while. This here's a chocolate. It's their minis. And let's see, what else does it say? It says nutritional facts, 6 servings per container, 1 pie, 110 calories. Total fat is 3 grams. Saturated fat is 2 grams. Cholesterol is 0. Sodium is 35 milligrams. Total carbohydrates 20 gram. Total sugar 10 gram. Includes 10 grams added sugar at 19%. Wow. Let's see if these are made. Baked by Chattanooga Bakery in Chattanooga, Tennessee. Moonpie.com. Wow. Cool, that's good. All right, well, are you ready so I can try one? How do we open this here? I don't know, it doesn't say where or how. I'll just open it a Grammie way. Ta-da! This is what they look like. Boy, these are small. Look. That's okay, because I don't know what I'm eating. Made by Real Sugars. Only 110 calories. So how many folks out there eat these moon pies? And if so, do you like them? I don't know. Look like crackers and marshmallow and chocolate. I don't like the smell of chocolate and marshmallow together. I don't like s'mores, so maybe that's why. All right, let's try it. You definitely can taste all 3 flavors. You can taste the graham cracker, the marshmallow, and the chocolate. I'm not so sure I like it though. It tastes like a real soft, a real soft graham cracker crust, like soggy. Let's just try another one. Maybe the second bite will be better. No, I don't think it's for me. But after 2 bites, that's what it looks like. A mini moon pie. So leave your comments below and let me know if you eat them. Please give me a thumbs up. You never know what's going to be on MAINEiac Grammie's channel. And hit that bell if you haven't subscribed. And if you are subscribed, please share my videos so YouTube can recognize there's a lot going on here. So I like to say thank you for coming back, and thank you to all my folks that support me. And God bless, and we'll see you on Monday Reads. God bless. Have a great day. Bye now.